My name is Arron Grendon. I'm the bar manager at Tropic City in Bangkok. I'm half Thai, half British, and I moved here about 3 years ago. I'm the Chivas Master Global winner 2018, and I won Diplomatico World Tournament in 2017. For me, when I first moved to Thailand, I moved here at quite a young age, so I didn't really know what to expect. But as soon as I arrived, I knew that Thailand had a beautiful, culture, beautiful people, and I'm very proud to be Thai. When I think about the art of Siamese, or some Thai art, for me it's the Chino-Portuguese buildings in Phuket, where I grew up as a kid, because of the beautiful, vibrant colors, and it's really interesting about the history of how the East meets the West, and how Asia and Europe and other countries kind of come together to create these beautiful buildings in the center of Phuket, where many Thai people, many Thai local people go to and see this beautiful artwork. There's one dish, or there's one dessert that reminds me a lot about Thailand, and that's the mango sticky rice, because when I was younger, when I lived in Hong Kong, obviously we didn't get to eat or try too many Thai dishes or Thai ingredients, but I remember every time we went to this one Thai restaurant not so far away from my house, after dinner we would have mango sticky rice, and ever since then mango sticky rice reminded me of Thailand, and also why I like this dish so much is because this dish is known worldwide, not just in Thailand. People know it all over the globe, because it has beautiful sweet, sour, and a bit salty taste, which I think everyone enjoys. So this is what reminds me of Thailand. I've never seen a mango sticky rice syrup or mango sticky rice kind of flavor really been used in cocktails that much. So I think it's really cool that SILPIN has a mango sticky rice flavor, because to get these two flavors, mango and sticky rice, into one drink may be quite difficult, but with this syrup it already has both the flavors in one thing, so it will be much easier to create a very good tasting cocktail with the mango sticky rice flavor. Thailand has such a various amount of fruits, like fresh tropical fruits, herbs and spices, all of these that are native to Thailand as well. So it could be hard to find some of the ingredients we have in other countries. So for me, I would recommend bartenders or anyone who works in bars or even cafes, coffee shops, to use flavors that are native to Thailand that people can't really get in other countries, because that's our signature, right? People come here to try these flavors. So just use any flavor you think you can make a good drink with or a good coffee with, that has these Thai beautiful flavors, and I think that would be a good creation. So the drink I created was called the SILPIN Tamarind Swizzle. So it's a twist on a classic cocktail, could be called a classic tiki cocktail, called a Queen's Park Swizzle, which was created in 1985. And it's got quite a close relation to the mojito. Similar flavors, but different technique. So for this one, instead of using just simple syrup, the SILPIN tamarind syrup, and we've used Praya rum, which is a rum here that we create in Thailand, a bit of lime juice, and we basically swizzle. It's a technique we use behind the bar to create some dilution with crushed ice. And for me, it's the perfect, refreshing, drink to have on a hot summer's day here in Thailand, in Bangkok, or even any hot climate weather, outside of Thailand. It's the perfect drink. Sure. Thank you.
SILPIN Premium Syrup, the art of Siamese taste.